So one of the things that we did in an earlier task was to create a journal and to add 1 or 2 journal entries. So what we're going to look at next is how we can make use of that content in the context of our portfolio pages. So the first thing to do is to click on the Journals tab, and we have 3 specific options relating to journals, 3 different types of block. We can add a whole journal that we've created, all of the posts associated with it. We can choose a single journal entry from any of our different journals, and we can also have a sort of a summary of all of the recent journal entries that we've made. So if we're keeping 3 or 4 different journals, it will keep us will keep the page up to date with the most recent postings. The principles for adding them are exactly the same, so I'm going to basically show you in this example how to add a specific journal entry. Same as before, choose the block that you want, move the mouse over it, hold down the left mouse button and drag the block onto the page, and then release the mouse button. And what you'll see is a list of the journals that you've kept and the name of the individual blog posts. So let's include one that we know has got a photograph associated with it, which was the reflective log for the field trip entry. There's a couple of extra options on here that relate to if the portfolio page is being copied. I simply leave this on the default setting. So click on Save, and the journal entry is included within our page. Again, very simple, and exactly the same process as adding the charity event and the profile information. Drag the block onto the page, configure it for the content that you want, and the content appears on the page.